She took me to meet her family. Where am I at and who am I gonna meet?
I'm experiencing life in the Amazon through the eyes of my tribal wife's grandma, and I'm even going to be asking her questions that no one's willing to ask. We'll cook together, work her farm, and experience a way of life that's slowly disappearing.
I don't think this footage exists literally anywhere else on the internet right now.
So, let's uncover the secrets of the Shuar tribe together.
I'm gonna help her plant some corn. But how do you plant some corn? You basically take this long old stick right here, shove it in the ground, make a little hole, just like that, and then bam, you throw a few corn kernels in there. ¿En cuántos meses está listo? 6 meses.
Sí.
Chuta, bastante tiempo. It's like you have a spear, then you're gonna put it in there and twist it and take it out quick so it doesn't, get stuck.
Usted tiene fuerza, yo que soy vieja, flaca, así vea.
Ahí. So apparently I'm doing it all wrong and they're dying laughing at me. Apparently I'm just I'm not even being close to being straight. I mean, like, where's the other one? I don't even know what they're laughing at, but I know it's about me. Isamar, ven, muéstrame.
Como hombre, Shuar, tú haces así.
They love it. Dude, that's so funny, dude. I was wrong. I have no clue how to plant corn or the distance or anything, so they view me as pretty useless at the farm. ¿Qué vas a hacer con el maíz? ¿Vas a vender, comer?
Comer, dar a mis pollos.
Oh, cierto.
Sí.
The grandma told me we're going to be eating a very, very special dish, but we have to get some of the ingredients for her. So...
Vamos a recoger cumbia. Acompáñenme.
Your guys are going to freak out to see what it looks like. It's like a spider's web mixed with like dots, and it's like it's super weird. So make sure to stay and watch to see what her grandma, the tribal elder, is gonna feed me. We're gonna finish up planting corn and then take this over there, and for our hard work we're gonna start to make a meal.
Utilizo esto para hacer las artesanías. Mi collar es elaborado con la pepita de cumbia.
You know what? I've been living here for 2 years and I still had no clue that's actually where that came from. Because as you see, whenever you crush it open, it looks like a spider web with all these little seeds inside. Almost kind of like a pumpkin. Alright, so this is how much we harvest. Tenemos bastante, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Cumbia.
No,
Cumbia.
Cumbia es música de bailar. Este es cumbia de comer.
We're heading back here. There's a sugar cane field over there. ¿Qué estás haciendo?
Lavando pescado para hacer ayampacos.
Let's see what the grandma wants me to do. And while we're cooking this entire thing, I'm going to be answering and asking her the weirdest questions I've ever got and the craziest questions you could ever even imagine from someone who's lived here their entire lives. ¿Cuál era un momento que tenías bastante miedo en la selva?
Culebras.
¿Has visto un culebro picar a alguien o no?
A mí me había picado. Cuando me fui a pescar con mi esposo anoche, venía, de ahí me picó en el pie.
¿Qué pasó a tu pie?
Tuve 15 días en la cama enferma.
¿Fuiste al doctor o no?
No, nada. No tuve.
¿No hay?
Nuestra nacionalidad hace fiesta. Me pintan todo clase de culebra en mi cuerpo.
Yo quiero irme a fiesta de culebra. ¿Dónde hay?
No sé dónde, cuando pican.
So apparently, whenever you get bit by a snake, they have an entire festival around it that you survived it, and they paint your body like an entire snake with a certain type of plant dye they have down here, and you drink a certain type of like spiritual traditional drink to say like, hey, you celebrate that you survived a snake bite. That's nuts. I want to go like that. I'm like, dude, well, I want to go to there. Where is that? They're like, I don't know. You have to get bit by a snake. And I don't know if I'm willing to get bit by a snake to go to see that festival. I'm going to sneak off here to see if I can see any interesting things at her house. This right here is a little shack that they have. I'm sticking my camera in here. I don't know if I really should be. But I'm going to stick my camera here and see what they have. Oh, hey, look. It's a bunch of guinea pigs and a bunch of corn over there. In the Amazon, like in this region, this is the first time I've ever seen bathrooms kind of like this. This is actually pretty nice. Here is the hand washing station. There's the front yard. Here's the kitchen. This over here must be where they keep all their chicken. That's one of the biggest roosters I've seen in my entire life, dude. Is that a turkey? Yeah, I guess this is their little farm area.
Utilizamos esto para hacer el ayampaco con pescado. Abuela, ¿cómo se llama esto?
¿Cómo se llama? Sambu.
Sambu.
What they do is just they put it in the leaf, the entire fish hole, wrap it back up y vas a poner ahí en la candela. Okay. Y así, y así.
Yeah.
Okay. ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita de la Amazonía?
Ayampaco. De caracha.
De caracha.
Sí.
Okay. So then we take a leaf, we take this and tie it. Eso. Yeah.
Antes era mejor o ahora era mejor, ahora es mejor.
Antes era mejor.
Porque
Ahora hay mucha tecnología y viene mucha enfermedad.
claro,
Y la juventud también se dañan.
sí.
Ajá. Igualmente las chicas no son como antes.
It's because the Shuar culture is just constantly changing with like more modern stuff. Like the elders do not like that. They're like, dude, everyone's scrolling this TikTok or Instagram, and then with that TikTok and Instagram comes like mental health stuff. Or they'd rather just stay inside and just doom scroll all day versus go out and enjoy the jungle and enjoy aruta. This is the fish we have prepared. And this is like the cumbia. Let's go ahead and give this a shot and see what this tastes like. You actually don't eat anything but the little orange part, the seeds you spit out, because the seeds are like super spicy and like super bitter. So you put it in your mouth, separate the pumpkin part from the seeds, and then you chew it. This tastes like a mix of ginger mixed with pumpkin squash. I would say this is literally super good. They put salt in it, so it's like a very savory flavor. I love this. We just got done eating, and I will say, la comida de la Amazonía es el mejor todo el mundo.
Pregúntale de salsa.
¿De salsa? Sí. Abuelita, ¿puedes explicar salsa?
Salsa, no, eso sí. Ah, ya, un poco que yo
Ya,
sé.
poquito
Ya.
que tú puedes, nada más.
Nuestros antepasados, abuelos, con persona, cabeza y pelaban el cuerito con todo su pelo y entonces cocinaban y hacían fiesta. Se metían una cosita por la nariz y como bandera, pues, una ceremonia.
Sí.
Sí. Sí, me contaba mi abuelita, pero yo nunca supe,
Claro,
nunca
sí.
vi.
Personas no hacen eso, los Shuar no hacen eso
No, no,
hoy día.
ahora,
no.
ahora todo se acabó.
Sí.
Ahora dicen, los gringos mandan a matar personas para que haga chanza. Nuestra gente mismo se ponen por no trabajar, quieren plata fácil.
Oh, sí.
Entonces se van a matar a misma gente, a misma familia
Oh,
para
wow.
reducir la
Nunca
cabeza
sabía
y
eso.
vender. No era antes así, sino antes nuestra gente, abuelitos mataban a sus enemigos
Oh,
para hacer chanza y
Pero
hacer
ahorita es
la
como
fiesta.
así por
Ahorita
dinero.
es como negocio, la gente vaga, hace,
wow.
que no nos gusta a nosotros.
Gracias, abuelita, gracias.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's literally the inside look on like the #1. That's nuts, dude. Does that exist literally anywhere? That's the inside look on everything, dude. This is crazy. I don't think this footage exists literally anywhere else on the internet right now. The #1 most asked question, the #1 most like hate I've ever gotten is your race mixing, you're blah blah blah, doing all that stuff, like ruining the genetics and like the tribe must hate you, blah blah blah. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna ask her. Es mal que ella está mi esposa y tenemos hijo.
Yeah. En verdad si vivirán todo el tiempo iguales, no le dejara embarazando a ella.
¿O pensaste
Dejarle
que
el
yo
voto.
voy a dejar ella?
Eso.
Oh, sí pensaste eso, ok. Pero ya ves que estoy con ella por mi vida.
Ya.
They thought like I was just any other American ever. Pero, entonces, antes asustaste, pero
Sí.
ahorita,
Ya
¿qué
no.
piensas ahorita?
Ya no me da miedo de nada de él.
¿Sí?
Ujú.
Gracias, abuelita, gracias.
Te apoyo.
Sí. ¿Y qué pensaste tú primera vez?
Yo sorprendida, sí.
¿En
Por
serio?
primera vez en vida de mi hermana llegó un hombre lindo. En serio, por primera vez un hombre alto y lindo.
You know, we just got done eating and she's way up there getting the fruit. Yeah. Chao, abuelita.
Chao.
Siempre es
Siempre.
bastante divertido contigo.
Ya,
Siempre.
igualmente, gracias.
Y también
la
siempre
visita.
como bastante contigo. Tú me das bastante comida. Gracias. Chao.